There's so much I just couldn't say to the ones I loved the most in the world. Then came this beautiful girl. You shined your light and lit up my heart. Ever since that night I held you in my arms, I knew it was always you. You walked into my life and everything changed. Ever since that night you took my breath away for the very first time. Ever since then you've been mine. You believe when I have doubts, you're the one thing I just can't live without when I'm scared. Oh, you hold my hand, always there to help me understand. And your brown eyes break right through my walls, right by my side to catch me when I fall. I will cherish all the little things you got that I can't do. I was drowning, I was sinking deep, and then came you. You are strong when
Who be the Alexandra Isanka?
I'm afraid.
Why is it not trending? Which people signing? He wants to leave. So why is it not a big deal? Okay, he's doing nonsense. Some people are like that. When you walk, you're tired. It's all you to go, you start doing drama.
To catch me when I'm falling, I will cherish all the little things you got that I can't do. I was drowning, I was sinking deep, and then came you.
Still looking to bolster their striking options as Alexander Isak's future hangs in the balance. They made a 50
There's so much I just couldn't say to the ones I loved the most.